Hello friends, today I want to introduce our new arrived MINGDA 3D printer MD6H to you. It has a very fashionable appearance. At the top of MD6H has a 5-inch colorful LCD display. You can easily operate and see all printing data in this interface. Let's check its inner structure. It has a large build room, 400 by 300 by 500 mm. We designed X, Y, and Z angles all use industrial grade linear guide rails to promise high precision printing. We adopt 10 mm thickness aluminum heated bed, the most will not distortion, and the double plate makes sure high precision and stability of aluminum plate moving along the linear guide. All parts are modular design. It is easy to replace parts. Do you want a so high quality 3D printer to help your design work? Please feel free to contact us. Thank you.